Today's topic is on cosmic light or cosmic rays, why it does not bright the universal space and how it leaves the impression on human consciousness. When we talk about cosmic light, that means the brightness occurring in the cosmic existence. This brightness is causing due to many celestial facts like star, sun, reflection of any planetary cause, galaxies, supernova, black hole rings or any explosion. But this natural phenomena does not bright the whole universe due to absence of atmospheric conditions. Light always needs matter to travel, where the space is hard vacuum containing low density of particles. The reason whatever the brightness human eye are observing is just celestial reflection causing by any natural glow in the universe. These light travels in waves, also call them light frequencies. These frequencies required atmosphere to appear a spectrum. Without atmosphere, they are just frequencies. Thus, makes the presence of frequencies everywhere in cosmic infinity, but brightness exists partially. The Earth atmospheric spectrum is the only cause of colorful surrounding around us. This filter spectrum has significant impact on human system, as this reflects 7 main electromagnetic rays. They are gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet rays, visible light, infrared rays, microwave rays, and radio waves. Here, humans are capable to decode visible lights only. Remaining rays, they leave their impact on human body in a form of frequencies called solar electromagnetic radiation. These electromagnetic frequencies are high and least tolerable at Mahurat and are before sunrise, considered an auspicious time, especially for meditation, read or hear the knowledge, introspection, planning schedule, and bow down to godly cosmic powers. In Vishnu Purana said, atomic energies are high during Brahma Muhurta and enters human body in form of 7 rays as nanoparticles, which leaves positive impact on human health, gradually improving quality of genes and their consciousness. The Big Bang. Same phenomena is the Rudra, the cosmic explosion where proton the Brahma, electron the Vishnu, and neutron the Shiva had emitted huge cosmic sound and light everywhere cosmically, which is still expanding in these cosmic frequencies, have immense impression stored in our memory. So conclusion says, to deep dive our atomic memory which is present everywhere in the body, get more active at the time of Brahma Muhurta, which opens the truth of self-identity and cosmic infinity. Thank you so much.